MBSE using DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop, Tonex training. DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop, is a 5-day hands-on training course. DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop covers DoDAF 2, UPDM 2 and SysML topics. It introduces migration of DoDAF 2.0 to UPDM 2.0 using model-based systems engineering, MBSE, with systems modeling language, SysML, the OMG SysML, the industry standard for MBSE applications. Learning objectives. Upon completion of DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop, participants are able to learn about DoDAF 2, UPDM 2 and SysML. Give examples of integration of DoDAF 2, UPDM 2 and SysML and applicable use cases and scenarios. Differentiate between DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Explain the role of DoDAF 2, UPDM 2 and SysML and integrating them with DoDAF compliant system architectures. Specify specific characteristics of the capabilities and utilization of DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Give examples of DoDAF, UPDM and SysML artifacts and full system lifecycle development. Work with compliant DoDAF, UPDM and SysML tools and processes. Distinguish among tools to integrate DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Explore DoDAF compliant system using DoDAF 2, UML2 UPDM2 compliant tools and visual modeling tools supporting DoDAF 2, UPDM2 and SysML. Finalize a simple acquisition case study with DoDAF 2, SysML and UPDM2 modeling. Who should attend? DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop is recommended for enterprise and solution architects, software architects and engineers, developers, analysts, systems engineers, system modelers, system architects, project managers, and anyone else who is interested to learn about DoDAF 2, UPDM 2 and SysML integration. Course topics. Motivation behind integration of DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Unified profile for DoDAF and MODAF, UPDM-TM, framework. MBSE, DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Training course fee. Price, $4,999. Length, 5 days. Request more information regarding DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop. Visit tonex.com.